So now you treat people that are wearing CPAPs or they have been diagnosed with sleep apnea. So how does it work?
So one of the docs in our practice is very serious about sleep apnea and craniofacial pain. What that means is pain that's within the skull, and apparently a lot of people have it. But he's done extra training to make sure that he's on top of everything. He's just texted me actually about an hour ago about a seminar that he's going to take in June.
Okay.
And he focuses on the people that there's a large group of people out there that really can't wear a CPAP mask. It's just, they can't get through wearing the CPAP mask and sleeping and being comfortable all night. So they end up not wearing it. And
because they work, right? I mean, CPAP machine works.
CPAP machine is amazing. CPAP machine is something that my father wears, and I will probably wear one day.
Okay.
But you know, it's one of those things that if you can't get to the point where you're comfortable in it, then you're not helping yourself. And if you're not helping yourself, what are you doing? You're getting worse, right? So for those people, there's something called it's a mandibular advancement splint. It brings your chin out while you're asleep.
So it opens up the airway while you're sleeping.
Opens up the airway. Yeah, it also prevents that snoring that we were talking about.
Okay.
It makes it where if you can't wear a CPAP, it's better than not wearing one. It's not as good as a CPAP. CPAP is the best thing we have, but it's better than not wearing one. And it's an important enough thing for enough people to be very serious about. Sleep apnea is a silent killer.
So they think they're sleeping and they're not. They're like waking up like several times an hour.
Absolutely, yeah.
So with these appliances you make, can those people get a full night's sleep?
Sure, absolutely. With sleep apnea, generally people that wake up more than 5 times in an hour are categorized as having sleep apnea.
But they don't know they're waking up really, is that right?
They have no clue. They don't know. They're unconscious.
They just wake up tired.
Yeah, they tend to snore a lot, have large necks, a bit of extra body weight, generally male. And I mean, the females have it too. But you know, it's one of those things that people don't recognize. It's like telling somebody they snore. If you tell somebody they snore, how often are they going to say, "Oh, thank you for that. I believe you."
Right, right. They don't want to hear it.
It's not, I don't
so
snore.
These appliances, some snorers just stop snoring?
Yes, absolutely. Yes, yeah.
Okay.
One of my good friends got one from me for his snoring, and you know, yeah, it stops you from snoring.